Here's a strange truth most car buyers don't want to hear. Some of the smartest SUVs you can buy right now are already 10 or 15 years old. While dealerships push brand new crossovers packed with touchscreens, turbo engines, and monthly payments that look like a mortgage, a handful of older SUVs are quietly doing something far more impressive. They're passing 200,000, even 300,000 miles without drama. And here's the financial kicker most people miss. The biggest cost of owning a car isn't fuel, it's depreciation, insurance premiums, and unexpected repairs. Which means the buyer who spends $50,000 on the latest luxury SUV might actually lose more money than the person who buys a reliable older one for $15,000. Today, I'm showing you 7 old SUVs so reliable, buyers keep ignoring them. And trust me, the last one on this list might outlive your retirement plan. Number 7. Honda Pilot. Let's start with the Honda Pilot. This SUV is so dependable, most mechanics forget it even exists. Specifically the 2009 to 2015 generation. Under the hood sits Honda's proven 3.5-liter V6, an engine known to quietly cross 250,000 miles with routine maintenance. You can find clean examples today for $10,000 to $15,000. That's less than the down payment on many new SUVs. Insurance costs are lower, parts are affordable, and the interior still offers 3 rows of seating. Meanwhile, many newer SUVs rely on smaller turbocharged engines that work harder and often age faster. But if you think that's impressive, the next SUV delivers luxury car comfort with Toyota reliability. Number 6. Lexus RX 350. The Lexus RX 350 might be the quietest reliability legend ever built. Specifically, the 2007 to 2014 models. These SUVs combine Toyota engineering with luxury comfort, and the results are almost unfair to the competition. The same 3.5-liter V6 engine has proven capable of running 300,000 miles or more. Now compare that to something like a BMW X5 from the same era. While the Lexus quietly keeps going, some German luxury SUVs begin asking for expensive repairs the moment the warranty expires. Suspension issues, cooling systems, electronics. Meanwhile, the RX just keeps driving. But the next SUV on this list doesn't just last forever. It's built like a truck. Number 5. Toyota 4Runner. The Toyota 4Runner is one of the last SUVs that still feels like it was built for the apocalypse. While many modern SUVs switched to lighter car-based designs, the 4Runner kept its body-on-frame truck platform. Under the hood sits Toyota's durable 4.0-liter V6. And owners regularly report mileage beyond 250,000 miles with proper maintenance. It's not the most fuel-efficient SUV. But reliability isn't about saving pennies at the gas pump. It's about avoiding $4,000 repair bills. And the 4Runner has a reputation for surviving abuse that would send other SUVs straight to the scrapyard. But if you prefer something with luxury comfort instead of off-road toughness, the next SUV is a hidden gem mechanics often recommend. And by the way, if you enjoy these kinds of reliability breakdowns and want to avoid expensive car mistakes, hit that like button. It really helps the channel. Because the next SUV on this list is something most people completely overlook. Number 4. Acura MDX. The Acura MDX is what happens when reliability meets luxury practicality. Particularly the 2007 to 2013 generation. These SUVs offer leather interiors, smooth V6 power, and 3-row seating. But without the terrifying repair bills that sometimes follow German luxury brands. Maintenance costs tend to stay predictable, and depreciation has already done most of its damage. Meaning buyers today get a lot of SUV for the money. But the next vehicle is something a little unusual. It doesn't even look like a traditional SUV. And yet, it may outlast most of them. Number 3. Subaru Outback. The Subaru Outback sits in a strange category in the automotive world. Part wagon, part SUV. But don't underestimate it. Because while other SUVs chase flashy designs and oversized wheels, the Outback focuses on something much more important for long-term owners: practicality and durability. With standard all-wheel drive, excellent safety ratings, and a reputation for high mileage durability, the Outback quickly became a favorite among drivers who care more about reliability than image. That all-wheel drive system isn't just marketing either. It provides real confidence in snow, rain, and rough roads, without the complicated off-road systems many larger SUVs rely on. Many examples easily cross 200,000 miles with regular maintenance, and it's not uncommon to see older Outbacks still running strong well past that milestone. Insurance companies also tend to favor vehicles like this due to their strong safety records, which can quietly lower ownership costs over time. Add in good fuel economy for an all-wheel drive vehicle and a surprisingly spacious cargo area, and it becomes clear why so many owners keep them for years. It may not look like a traditional SUV, but it delivers the kind of predictable ownership experience that many modern vehicles struggle to match. But if you want something a little bigger, a little more spacious for family road trips, the next SUV on this list might be one of the most dependable family haulers ever built. Number 2. Toyota Highlander. The Toyota Highlander might be the most boring SUV on this list. And honestly, that's exactly why it's so good. Because while other SUVs try to impress buyers with flashy styling, complicated tech, and constant redesigns, the Highlander has spent years doing something much simpler, showing up every day and getting the job done. Owners rarely complain about them, because they simply keep working. The 2008 to 2016 models in particular built a reputation for durability that's hard to ignore. Under the hood sits Toyota's smooth V6 engine, paired with a transmission that prioritizes longevity over sporty performance. The result is a vehicle that feels comfortable on long highway drives, quiet in everyday traffic, and surprisingly relaxed even after years of use. Many Highlanders pass 250,000 miles without major mechanical drama, which explains why you still see so many older ones quietly cruising around town. Maintenance tends to be straightforward, parts are widely available, and most repair shops know these vehicles inside and out. It's also one of those SUVs that families often keep far longer than they originally planned, simply because replacing it never feels necessary. But the final SUV on this list takes reliability to another level. In fact, it might be one of the most overbuilt SUVs ever sold to the public. Number 1. Lexus GX460. If durability ever decided to wear a luxury badge, it would probably look like the Lexus GX460. At first glance, it might just seem like another upscale SUV with leather seats and polished wood trim. But underneath that comfortable interior is something very different from most luxury vehicles on the road today. The GX shares its engineering roots with the legendary Toyota Land Cruiser platform, a foundation that was originally designed to survive some of the toughest driving conditions on the planet. That means body-on-frame construction, a design usually reserved for heavy-duty trucks, not luxury SUVs. And that kind of construction brings a level of toughness that most modern crossovers simply don't have. Whether it's rough roads, harsh winters, or years of daily commuting, the GX was built to handle it without breaking a sweat. Under the hood sits a naturally aspirated 4.6-liter V8, an engine known among mechanics for its smooth performance and incredible longevity. It doesn't rely on turbochargers or complicated engineering tricks to deliver power. Instead, it focuses on something much more important for long-term ownership: durability and simplicity. With regular maintenance, oil changes, fluid services, and routine upkeep, it's not uncommon to see these SUVs reach 300,000 miles or more. In fact, many GX owners report that the vehicle still feels solid and comfortable even after decades of use. That's one reason resale values stay surprisingly strong. Buyers know these SUVs have a reputation for lasting far longer than most luxury vehicles in their class. And while other high-end SUVs often come with unpredictable repair bills once the warranty expires, the GX tends to deliver a far more stable ownership experience. It's the kind of vehicle that combines luxury comfort with truck-level durability, which is a rare combination in today's automotive world. And that's exactly why the Lexus GX460 has quietly earned a reputation as one of the most reliable luxury SUVs ever built. Because sometimes the best luxury feature isn't a bigger touchscreen or fancy ambient lighting. It's simply knowing your SUV will start every morning and keep running for the next 20 years. Here's the financial lesson most car buyers learn a little too late. The smartest vehicle purchase isn't always the newest one sitting on a dealership showroom floor. In fact, the newest vehicle is often the most expensive way to own a car, because the moment you drive it home, thousands of dollars in depreciation disappear almost instantly. The smarter move is often buying a vehicle that has already taken that big financial hit and proven it can survive real-world miles without falling apart. That's exactly what these SUVs represent. They may not have the biggest screens, the flashiest designs, or the latest tech features that dealerships love to advertise. But they have something far more valuable in the long run: predictable ownership costs and proven reliability. And when you're thinking about keeping a vehicle for 10, 15, maybe even 20 years, that kind of dependability becomes a lot more important than fancy features. Now I'm curious, if you had to choose one of these SUVs to drive for the next 15 years, no upgrades, no switching, which one would you trust the most? Drop your choice in the comments. I read them all, and I'm always interested to see which vehicles people trust the most. And if you enjoy honest breakdowns about car reliability, depreciation, ownership costs, insurance, and smart buying decisions, make sure you're subscribed. Because sometimes the smartest financial move isn't earning more money. It's simply avoiding the expensive mistake that could have cost you tens of thousands.